I'm a crochet artist. I own a business called One Yarn Away, and I wanted to dive into the YouTube creator space with some other like-minded individuals that also do the same thing. I started crocheting when I was 5 with my grandma. We used to sit around the campfire and she taught me everything I know, even back until I was in high school. And since then, since starting my business, I've done events, I've collabed with other people, I've also sold to companies, and that's just basically what I want to do here. I want to dive in and collab with other people, get to know people in another space. A lot of people who follow my Instagram. So next I wanted to show you some of my creatures that I make. These are some of the turtles I've made. This one and this one are for a commission I'm working on right now with a company. They ordered them for some environmental events. I made this one for some upcoming events. Already got them tagged. I've made other colors in the past. This bee is another one I have. I've made maybe about 10 of them for this upcoming event. They're a high seller. So the next one is this one. I sold 2 at my last event and people fell in love with color, so I made some more. And then I also make keychains for my events. And this one is one I actually just made yesterday while I was sitting at the beach. And here's some more of some of the creatures that I made for another upcoming event. Stay tuned for my next video, which I'll teach you all how to make one of these turtles in real time. I'm gonna have one that's unedited, which you can, watch through the whole 45 minutes, or another one that's sped up, and that way you can take it step by step a little faster for those that are fellow crocheters. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you in the next one.